wire.
Yeah, when you cut it lengthwise like that, you don't cut a wire. But be careful, because you don't want to cut your hand. Don't cut your finger. You're getting awfully close to your finger. Ooh, don't cut your fingers. Makes me nervous, child.
I use this knife every day.
I know you use it every day, but not to cut wire. So then you pull that all the way back and you reach in with the knife to cut it off. It doesn't have to be all that super pretty. Just don't cut any of the wires with it. There you go. There you go. Did you get all the paper? Even on the copper on the ground wire? Alright, now what's next?
Get this off.
Yep. How far in? How do you know how deep to do it? Remember, it's on the plug. See, there's usually something on the plug that tells you. Let me see. Each one's, see there, that line right in the middle? You know, most people don't even know plugs have that. And what number are you going to?
12.
Why?
That's what you said it was on that one.
Yep, it's a 12 gauge wire. There you go. What was it? Now, how does that go on the plug? Here's something I didn't tell you. What do you call the white wire?
I don't know.
It's called neutral. What do you call the black wire?
Black wire.
Hot. And what do you call the copper wire?
Copper wire.
Ground. Is that right? Oh. How do you know that's the right one to go to?
Because you said white goes to silver, then copper goes to gold. No.
Nope. White goes to silver. You're right there.
Black goes to gold?
Black goes to gold. And then copper goes to what?
The white.
Nope.
Green?
Yep. Green. Is that loop small enough? Here, hold this and let me see if I can do that one. Hand me the pliers. There it goes. Doesn't that feel good?
Yeah.
that underneath the screw on all sides? Oh, you're getting there. Perfect. Now, here's the important thing about stuffing everything back in. That copper wire cannot touch cannot touch any of the screws. So you stuff the copper wire in purposely so it can't touch any of the screws. The other two wires don't really matter because they're covered, but the copper wire does. If it touches the screws, it'll short out the plug. Push the copper wire further down so it's away from the other two. You know what I mean? There, that's better. All right. That's good. That'll be good. You can screw it in. Yeah, that's where a lot of people mess up on putting in plugs is they don't pay attention to where the copper wire is going, and when they're pushing it all in, the copper wire bends back and touches one of the screws. If it touches one of the gold screws, it shorts out the whole thing. If it touches one of the white screws, it creates a dangerous situation where it